Hello everyone, welcome again on my channel TechSim Studio. Today we are going to learn how to create a half wave rectifier with filter and without filter in Ansys. So first of all, we discuss about the rectifier. What is rectifier? Rectifier is a device which convert AC alternating supply to constant DC supply. Without filter circuit, it give us the pulsating nature of output. So for that we are give the filter to the circuit, then the output in the constant DC voltage. So let's start. First of all, open your TwinBuilder. I opened already. Then create new file from here, new. Then start the creating circuit. For circuit we want one diode. For that, click on diode here, then drag the diode on the page. Then we want voltage source for AC input voltage. Then click on escape. Then we want resistance as a resistive load. Then we want ammeter and voltmeter for measuring input voltage, output voltage, and the output current. So drag the ammeter near to the R load and drag the voltmeter near to the input voltage source as well as output R load. Then click escape. Now all the parameter for without filter circuit is completed. We want only the ground potential. So search for ground, then drag ground, click on escape. Now zoom, then check all the parameters are here or not. Yes, all parameters are here. So give the names to the parameter. First of all, this is the input voltage voltmeter, so give input voltage. Then V1, diode is only one for this circuit, so diode D1 resistive R load. Then output voltmeter is output voltage. This ammeter is used for the measure output current, so give the name output current. We want this ammeter in series with the diode and resistive load, so rotate is anti-clockwise. Then give the values to both the parameters. For input, give the time controlled value because we have frequency. In that, give the RMS value of 12 volt. Give the load value as resistance in 1 kilo ohm. Click OK. Then connect the all parameters properly. Connect the voltage source to the diode, and second terminal of diode is connected with the ammeter, and ammeter is connected with the load. Ammeter is always connected in series with the load, and connect the second terminal of voltage source to the load second terminal. Now connect both the voltmeters, one for input and one for output. Now check anything is remaining. Yes, ground is remaining, so connect ground to the reference line. Then check the all circuit is ready. Click on diode, then create the result. See here the result tab is available. Right click on it, then check the create standard report. In that, the rectangular stacked report or stacked plot is available. Click on that. Here the all values which is appeared in the circuit is given or seen, but we want only input voltage, and output current. So select input voltage, and output current using shift and arrows keys. Create new report. You can analyze circuit on clicking on project name, then check here analyze setup is available, then click on it. Wait till the output is coming. Now check the result. For result, click on XY stacked plot 1. See here the AC input waveform is appeared. The output voltage waveform, which is only half wave rectified output. For positive half cycle it is appeared, and for negative half cycle diode is in reverse bias, so anything is appeared. Now check same for output current. So this is the circuit which give us the output in the form of pulsating nature. For a pure DC output we want filter in this circuit. So let's start changes. For filter circuit we want capacitor, so drag the capacitor from the components library, click escape, then connect the capacitor across the output terminals for the load, then change the values. For this we give the 24 volt RMS value and 50 Hz frequency, and capacitor is of 4 microfarad, so for 10 raised to minus 6, click on OK, then zoom. See, we also change the load because we change the voltage. So now load is 10 kilo ohm, click on OK. Now analyze the circuit and zoom. See the new output is pulsating or not. The new output is not pulsating, but the step time is very less. The only two waveforms we can see. So change the step time from 40 milliseconds to 190 or 200. Click on OK, then analyze again. Now check the output. Now see the output is come without the pulsating nature. Now see the output is in not like previous. In this the pulsating nature is less compared to the previous, so average of this is constant DC waveform.